recently had this opportunity to speak with one of our school principals about how they use SchoolPad to align teachers and organize students to improve their performance after assessments. They took me through their process of segmenting students into groups like low performers, average performers, and implementing improvement processes accordingly for each and every different segment. I found these insights and the entire process so useful that I decided to compile them into 5 steps and create this video. Hi, I am Abhiraj, one of the co-founders at SchoolPad. In the last decade, we have helped over 250 school owners and principals to manage their schools more efficiently by digitizing and automating their existing processes and creating an exceptional experience for parents, students, and teachers. So let's delve into this process and these 5 steps and learn how this school utilized SchoolPad to drive their post-exam remedial strategies and enhance student performance. Step 1. Understanding student performance. The first step to improving student performance is to understand where students are struggling. The examination team in this school achieved this by analyzing test scores and identifying patterns in the students' scores after the assessments by generating performance scores and analyzing them easily through SchoolPad. Step 2. Setting clear goals. Once the student performance was understood, the team segmented these students by putting them into separate lists of underperformers and average performers and started to set clear and achievable goals for these students in the form of attending remedial classes, completing extra practice resources, and so on and so forth. Step 3. Creating student groups. Once the lists were ready to execute the remedial initiatives, SchoolPad was used to tag these students into segments. This made it easy for teachers to mark and monitor the attendance of these students both in regular and remedial classes. Step 4. Sharing practice material. Students who were struggling needed more practice. SchoolPad made it easier for teachers to share practice material and additional resources with these students without bothering the regular students. Coordinators were also able to monitor the activity and made sure that these students were receiving all the additional resources regularly and on time. Step 5. Monitoring processes. It was crucial to assess these students and regularly monitor their progress to ensure they benefited from the remedial initiatives and improved their performance. Using SchoolPad, the examination team could store scores from the remedial assessments and compare them by checking whether students' performance had improved or if they needed further practice. To conclude, I found these steps and the entire process so useful that whether you use SchoolPad or not, I thought of creating this video to help you out so that you can use these steps as the base and build your own process on top of it to enhance student performance and make the learning process for your students more meaningful and engaging. I hope you found this video useful and interesting. See you in my next video.